Hey everyone, welcome to this new video on the LogoInspirations YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan Rudolph, and in this video I wanted to do like a short rebrand of a logo that I found online, and I wanted to take like a generic logo and give it a bit of a calligraphy twist. So that's what I wanted to do with Herbalife Nutrition. And if you look at the original logo, it's kind of a bit generic. You see a lot of this three-leaf logo icon a lot, and I wanted to mix it up a bit with the letter. And I put it on top of the edge so that it could be used as an icon later by itself. And the two the two fonts that I'm using today is South Girl and Manguera all black. Both of these fonts can be found on Design Cuts, and there's a link right now up there, and it's also in the video's description. So and also a quick point: South Girl is a free font right now until this Friday. So if you go to Design Cuts and look for South Girl font, you should get it for free right now. So let's get started.